Hello and welcome to this video initiative brought to you by AA Shah's IS Institute. The topic that we have picked up for today is culture. And the question that we have picked up for today is: the Bodo tribe is mostly concentrated in the Indian state of. The options are option A, Arunachal Pradesh, option B, Assam, option C, Sikkim, and option D, West Bengal. The answer to this question is option B, Assam. Now the Bodos, they are an ethno-linguistic group and they are believed to be the earliest inhabitants of the state of Assam. They are an Indo-Mongoloid community. And they were a thriving civilization and they ruled many territories which include Northeast India, parts of Nepal, Bhutan, North Bengal and Bangladesh. Now the Bodos have been in news a lot because of their demand for a separate state of Bodoland. Now this demand is not particularly very new. This demand dates back to 1930s when one of the leaders of the Bodos, Gurudev Kalicharan Brahma, made a demand for separate Bodoland to the Simon Commission. Currently this demand has gained importance again and the movement has gained momentum. Thank you so much for watching.